Aaron, look at this mall. Wow, it's huge. Have you ever been here? No, this is my first time. Arshia, why did the door open? It's an automatic door. It opens by itself? Yes, when we get close. Where should we go first? Let's look at the map. I see a toy store. Great, let's find it. What is this called? Huh? It's an escalator. Does it take us upstairs? Yes. Hold the handrail. Aaron, do you like this hoodie? Yes, it's really nice. What color is it? It's blue. Which shirt do you like? I like the yellow one. Why yellow? Because it's my favorite color. Arshia, can we go inside?
Sure. What do you want to see?
I want to see the cars. Okay, let's go. Look at that car. Do you like it? Yes, it's so cool. What color is it? It's red. Aaron, are you hungry? Yes, I'm very hungry. What would you like? Can I have some pizza? What size do you want? A small pizza, please. Anything to drink? Yes, some water, please. Arshia, look at our bag. What did we buy? A shirt and a toy car. That sounds fun. Arshia, where is the restroom? Look at that sign. Oh, I see it. Good job finding it. Arshia, where is the exit? I'm not sure. Are we lost? Are we lost? Let's check the map. I found it! Where is it? Downstairs, near the entrance. Great, let's go. I like this big mall. Yes, it is very big. What did we see today? A mall, an escalator, and a toy store. And what did we buy? A shirt and a toy car. See you next time. Bye!